Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add BNB to MetaMask wallet. First of all, you can open the MetaMask wallet application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now just simply tap on settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after this, you can now tap on networks. And after this, you can tap on add network here. And after this, you can just simply select custom networks. And here you can just simply enter the network name. You can just simply fill the form. And after this, you can now tap on save. And after tap on save, you can just simply copy the wallet address, and you can just simply paste this address to another wallet to BNB coin exchange. And it is a way you can add BNB to MetaMask wallet. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.